Paakit ako sa pasyente. Olin, hindi ko ma-attend ng premiere mo. Waiting lang ako ng aking kasamahan. Wala ako sa premiere mo kasi nandito na ako sa labas ng gate ng pasyente. Wala lang pa yung kasama ko. See? Okay. Kita mo? Sabi ng driver ko, Ashraf is coming. So get out of the Thank you. Even me, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go inside. I'll just keep my phone on the table. Ashraf, Doctora has a surgery today. So according to the personal assistant, our flight tomorrow is not 100% guaranteed because if she will do surgery and she won't be able to travel, if she needs to rest a little, so she will let me know tonight. So I will not tell them anything yet. I will keep my mouth shut. If I travel tomorrow, I will message Madam. But I will not tell them I'm going with Dr. Roda. I don't know if I have to tell them or no. Angel is taking too long. It's very hot. Let Angel take it. See, there's name. It's for safe. Bag for safe. Again. Maybe she didn't hear. I want to go bathroom. Every time I travel, when I reach the patient's house, it's the bathroom first. Because I travel 30 minutes. I was drinking water there. It's all the time happening to me. Getting old is making more.
Maybe 4 by patients home, I will use. After finish the patient, I use, then...
No, the moment I arrive. Because I just traveled from the last patient.
Sometimes, but mostly I think... Because...
Thank you, Ben. Nakalive pa ako habang nasa trabaho, Ben. Nasa labas kami ng gate.
Before Kuya Romul, he said like this, Ashraf, you should drink water, you should use the restroom. You hold it, see like
I cannot hold it. Even if I try to hold it, it's full bladder.
It's strong, kidney strong.
It's full bladder. I have to really go to the bathroom. That's why sometimes if I can't wait, I have to ring the bell. I have to go in. Again, one more. Are they not home? I think I have Arafat's number. I will check if Arafat is up. No car? So it means he's not home. Where is Angel? Because it's super hot. Kita mo ba yung weather na yan, oh? Kita mo ba yung weather na yan? Ang init, Daddy V. Minsan ginaganito ko pa yan, Daddy V. Kaya ko yan gawin ganito. Ginaganyan ko yan. Ayan. Para takip hanggang mukha. Parang sa mga Saudi.